Hi, this is Sam with Vive Health, and this is our gel seat cushion. This is going to help with sciatica issues, any tailbone issues, lumbar issues. You can use this in your office chair. You can even take it with you to a sporting event because we have this awesome handle on it, so it's super easy to carry. It's got a non-latex medical grade gel that's always going to retain its form. It's going to evenly distribute the pressure when you sit on it. It has this machine washable cover as well. So all you do is you take this, you unzip it here. You take the gel out, so you can see the gel here. You just take that gel out, you wash the cover in the washing machine, and then once it's done washing, you throw it right back on, slide the gel in, zip it up, and you're good to go. And that's our gel seat cushion.